What if your phone could see what you see and instantly help you figure things out in real time? From organizing cluttered spaces to troubleshooting daily problems, Google's new Gemini Live feature just changed how we interact with AI. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with how you plan to use Gemini Live. Google has officially rolled out Gemini Live's real-time camera and screen sharing features across all Android devices. Initially limited to the Galaxy S25, Pixel 9 series, and Gemini Advanced users, it's now expanding to everyone, completely free. If you haven't seen it yet, don't worry. Google says the feature will be reaching more users in the coming weeks. So, what exactly does Gemini Live do? It turns your phone's camera into a real-time helper. Just point your camera at something, your closet, a messy desk, or even a faulty gadget, and start asking questions. Gemini uses its AI to recognize what it sees and offers tailored advice. Trying to declutter? It can suggest how to organize your space, categorize your items, and even recommend what to donate or discard. But it's not just about organizing. Gemini Live is designed to solve everyday problems. Got a squeaky chair? A glitchy record player? Gemini can give you tips to troubleshoot or fix it right on the spot. It's like having a personal assistant with visual understanding in your pocket. And then there's screen sharing. Gemini can now analyze what's on your screen while you talk to it. Whether you're working on a blog post, a marketing campaign, or need design inspiration, Gemini can offer personalized feedback and ideas. You can even show it photos, like scenes from your favorite places or color palettes from a market. And Gemini will help you brainstorm creative concepts for writing, design, or crafts. So, how do you start using Gemini Live? To use the camera feature, open the Gemini app, or on Pixel phones, press and hold the power button. Tap the rightmost button at the bottom to open Gemini Live. Then, tap the camcorder icon in the bottom left corner. Now just point your camera and start talking to Gemini. To use screen sharing, again, open Gemini or hold down the power button. Tap the same rightmost button to access Gemini Live. Next, tap the second icon from the left to start screen sharing. You'll see a pop-up asking to share your screen. Confirm it and you're good to go. From organizing your life to boosting creativity, Gemini Live is bringing AI into your real world in a whole new way. Want to learn even more ways to integrate AI into your workflow? Watch the related video in the corner of your screen.